Hey everybody, it's Kendra Eris, and I've got a quick 2-minute tip on waking up your makeup look. So especially if you didn't get a lot of sleep or your eyes are red or maybe you're a little hungover or something, I'm going to show you how to use this nude liner to wake up any quick and easy makeup look. So I've already done it on this side. Basically, I've just taken the eyeliner and covered the waterline. Now, cool thing about this is it doesn't matter what your skin tone is. All of us have the same color of waterline. So this color is meant to brighten it up without making it too white. So I love that because it's a little bit more natural and a little bit more wearable. It's gonna pop open your eyes and make you look a little bit more awake. And especially if that waterline gets red, it's gonna neutralize that and make you just have a little bit more pep in your step for the day. So anyway, I hope that helps you learn to use a nude eyeliner pencil. These are newly available with Lime Life, and you can get them on my website. Bye.